Working on a Samsung here. We are attempting to recover this client's contacts at least. They can live without everything else, but I mean, if we make it bootable, might as well get everything. I'll probably just fast forward through this part. You can find teardown videos for Samsungs everywhere. It's not too bad. No. Does that look like liquid to you? You can't see it on the camera. In those little crevices, it's like a white substance. Could be just dust though. I'm missing a screw. Got him. No apparent water really, just real dusty. Mm. We're gonna pull this battery out. Hold on. I am going to check charge fast. Okay, we're gonna plug this in. Power symbol. What's it drawn? 4 volts, 0.12 amps. Not even a watt. So we're probably not out of the woods yet, but that is doing more than it was doing. Oh, would you look at that? Let's see if you can see this. See all that dirt on the connections? We'll try that, but I'm gonna let this thing charge. Clean these connections. Okay, we're back. This client's phone is hooking up to the computer now, charging fine. Like I said, sometimes just take them apart and look at them funny, just give them a dirty look. But they'll get their shit back. Good day.